NASA's the OSIRIS-REx mission has returned with its space capsule that contains largest asteroid sample ever collected in a space mission. This is a NASA spacecraft mission that was launched in September 2016. Its name stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. Its primary objective was to study and collect a sample from the near-Earth asteroid. Upon returning of the sample, the researchers opened the lid of the capsule, and what they found inside was truly exciting that made them gasp. This is the Universe Factory, and in today's video, we'll discuss about the sample that was collected off this asteroid. Before we jump right into the video, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell notification next to it. This way you won't miss out with any future content that we post here regularly in the field of astronomy. Follow us on social media platforms as well, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Be sure to check out. Now without any further delay, let's talk about this asteroid sample and why it is important. (101955) Bennu is a carbonaceous asteroid in the Apollo group discovered by the Linear Project on 11 September 1999. It is a potentially hazardous object having a cumulative 1 in 1,750 chance of impacting Earth between the years 2178 and 2290, with the greatest risk being on 24 September 2182. OSIRIS-REx mission was designed to address fundamental questions about the origins of our solar system and the potential for asteroids like Bennu to impact Earth. The spacecraft's key goals included studying the asteroid's composition, shape and spin, in addition to gathering valuable data on the geology and mineralogy. We are not doing deep video into this mission as we are going to make a dedicated video for this soon. Mission's most significant achievements was the successful collection of a sample from Bennu's surface in October 2020. This sample return should provide scientists with insights into the early solar system and help us better understand the potential threat of asteroid impacts on our planet. The spacecraft successfully departed from Bennu in May 2021 and began its 2 years return journey to Earth with its precious cargo. On 24 September 2023, at a distance of 101,000 kilometers from Earth, it ejected the sample return capsule, which re-entered the atmosphere at 44,500 km/h. Finally, under its parachute, the capsule landed at 18 km/h at the Utah Test and Training Range. After a couple of days, the researchers finally opened the capsule to analyze the sample from the asteroid. The combined mass of the sample was found to be approximately 400 grams, that was more than what was expected. The initial glimpses of the off-Earth material are very promising. Those very early scientific returns are showing that Bennu is rich in both water and carbon-containing compounds. Here in this image, a view of the outside of the OSIRIS-REx sample collector can be seen. The sample material from asteroid Bennu can be seen on the middle right, while the bulk of the sample is located inside. Initial studies of the 4.5 billion years old asteroid Bennu sample collected in space and brought to Earth by NASA show evidence of high carbon content and water. This together could indicate the building blocks of life on Earth may be found in the rock. These are like the time capsules. They had formed earlier in the solar systems when the planets were still being formed. They are mostly made up of the same material as the planets. Simply put, they can preserve the details of the earlier solar system, the details that cannot be found on Earth. Now what about OSIRIS-REx spacecraft? Though its return capsule is now back on the Earth, the probe keeps on flying toward another asteroid called Apophis. OSIRIS-REx is scheduled to arrive at the space rock in 2029 and study it up close on an extended mission called OSIRIS-APEX. This mission details will be topic for another video, but we have made a separate video about the threat that asteroid Apophis may pose to our planet. You may watch it here. I have mentioned the link to the video in the description as well. These discoveries, made possible through years of dedicated collaboration and cutting-edge science, propel us on a journey to understand not only our celestial neighborhood, but also the potential for life's beginnings. State of brevity, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for everyone who made the OSIRIS-REx mission possible. From scientists to space enthusiasts, our global community came together for this extraordinary journey. Also, thank you for joining us today to celebrate this remarkable OSIRIS-REx mission by watching this video. If you found this video interesting and helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest happenings in the world of astronomy. It would mean so much for growing this channel. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos. We'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon.